Hello guys, welcome to Casino YouTube channel where you get to learn a lot about the Forex trading. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Canadian dollar. I read all your comments. One of the comments asked about scalping trading strategy. Today we are going to do scalping trading versus full trading with the same setup. This video will be longer than the previous videos because it shows 3 trades together. I have deposited $3,000 in this account in which you will know the difference between scalping and full trade, in which account grows more. I am increasing the lot size. We will use 0.10 lot, which I have already calculated my risk. Let's meet after placing all trades. Loss is $95 while placing trade. The market is going against us. Never mind, loss is part of game. Where there will be profit, there is bound to be loss. Let me now explain to you why I placed the sell trade. The market is currently going down. We have also placed trade in the same direction. Here you will see the market is also downtrend at a large level, due to which we have more chance that the profit in the market will be on the downside. Now let me explain you through trend channel, for which you will take a trend line and put it on the lower high point, by which you will get to know about the major trend of the market. This trend line has to be placed well in future. Also we can get good opportunity on this trend line. We'll take another trend line, then that will connect with same angle at lower load. This trend line is working towards support whenever the market will come near this downward trend line, so we can see the reversal by which we will get buying opportunity. Our trend channel is working perfectly in the market, which shows that we can get good opportunities for US dollar versus Canadian dollar pair going forward. Here you will see another downtrend inside the trend channel. We took the selling trade. Because of that, let me show you by drawing this again. Take trend line and apply it on this lower high point, so that your market trend will be clearly visible. Market is repeatedly taking resistance on this trend line. First took the resistance here, after that took resistance here, and now resistance has been taken here too, due to which the market is following this trend line. That's why the market is taking resistance again and again. Now we have to draw support resistance area, which will show where the market can reverse. For this we will use rectangle tool, which will be put in this place because the market has reversed multiple times here. Here the market took resistance and later broke it and made support, taking a little support in this place too. Here also the market took support well and went up. Later it broke and made resistance. Now retest again is going upwards. High percentage chance market will go down from here, because our analysis is pointing down. Still don't know anything. If the market doesn't go down, it will break the support resistance level and go up. There we can take a trend line breakout trade upwards. Guys, let me tell you that the market can go anywhere, up, down, sideways. No one knows what the market will be called. We can only analyze, which can increase the chances of being profitable. We should always be ready for loss in the market that we can also lose, so always trade with stop loss. Here my stop loss will be above 25 pips, which is above our trend line and support resistance level. If the market breaks the resistance, then our stop loss will be easily hit. And my target point will be 43 pips down, where the market will make a new lower low at a small level. Here I am using about 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Guys, our loss keeps on increasing. Now $243 have been lost. Let's see how long we can hold it. I quickly place stop loss and target point. This is our scalp trade, in which there is neither big loss nor big profit. I have analyzed here with the help of trendline and rectangle tool and have taken a trade on the price action base on the downside. Anyone can use. Let me tell you that no strategy is 100%. How long you stick to your setup is the most important. If you keep changing your setup frequently, you will always be in loss, because you didn't practice with that setup nor have retested it whether it is working or not. Let's meet guys after a few hours. Guys, the market has broken the short trend line and it's all going up. The market has broken the trend line as well as the support resistance level, which shows that the market will go up. Here's another strong support resistance level. Let's take the rectangle tool and put it in this place, because the market has taken a multiple times reverse here. Here the market took support and went up, from which we got the first reverse point. Break the support here and form resistance. Here also the market took double support at the same place and went up high where our trend line is. All these points are important, but we thought the major trend of the market is downtrend, and the minor trend is also downtrend. That has a higher chance of making a profit, but the market didn't go according to our setup. Our stop loss was at this point, which got hit. We found loss in scalp trade. Never mind. We were already ready for this, that we may also lose. That's why we have prepared another plan. I am closing all these trades. Our loss is running $622, which is 18% of account. Let's close it now and see the plan ahead. My account is now $2,963. We will try to grow with proper risk management and psychology. Guys, we went to our first trade loss. Now we will place the second trade and see the reaction of the market to see how it acts. Market can go up by forming support on this small support resistance level. A wick is visible in the last candle of the market, due to which the market is coming down for retest. Here we can get good buying opportunity where we will trade. Market can go down from here because there is strong support resistance level at the bottom and there's trend line as well. Market may reverse from here also because here too there is a strong support level. If the market does not reverse from here also, the market will go down. Now there are only 3 conditions in the market which we have covered. Apart from this, 80 to 90% of the market will not go anywhere. Let's wait now, from which level does the market reverse? Guys, the market got reversed from the first level. Here you can see the red candle, which come down to retest, then reversed. Now let's place trade. Bullish candle has just been seen in the market. I am increasing the lot size as before by 0.10. We will place all trades with the same lot size. See you after placing trade. Guys, we are getting to see again the loss that $105 is going on. Let's see how long we can hold it. We have taken the trade with proper risk management, which I have already calculated. This is also our scalp trade where the loss will also be small and the profit will also be small. I am setting the chart to 5 minutes time frame. Where to know the proper price action of the market here? The market is going up while making higher high, higher low. Market is still coming down to take support where the first resistance was taken. Let's remove the down arrow line. They no longer work. If you do the analysis correctly, then you will always be in profit. Here my stop loss will be 30 pips below support resistance level. Where the market goes down, we will lose. If the market breaks this support resistance level from below, then we will see a downtrend. And my target point will be above 25 pips near trend line, because the market can come down trend line with resistance. Guys, we're still where we were in loss before. I put stop loss. Now you must be getting a better understanding of the level up to which our exit point is. High probability chance the market will reach our target point. Here we will draw another supply demand area with the help of rectangle tool. In this place too, the market is doing multiple times reverse, so that we can see the reversal again. The market may reverse from this level or will reverse from the level below. We should look at the market from all sides so that we can understand the analysis better and can act accordingly. Now we have to wait for how long the market will achieve our target. We have to stay in the trade with patience. Let's see after the target or stop loss is hit. Guys, the market went as we analyzed. The market is very close to our target point right now. We will not close the trade until the market hits the target point, unless there is an emergency interruption, like strong support resistance zone, news, market closed, etc. We draw the supply demand area. In the last the market went up with support from there. Here our analysis was correct, due to which we achieved this goal. Our target point is about to hit. Just wait a while. Finally the target is hit. We followed our rules properly. Never exit after taking a trade in the market before the stop loss and target point are hit. If you leave first, you can never achieve big goals. Let's close the trade now. It's been a long time. Our target has also been hit. My profit is running $654. How much we lost in our first trade? See you after closing all trades. Now my account has become $3,637, which was $2,963. We have made a profit of $137 from scalp trade. We'll try to grow it as soon as we get good opportunity. Here the market went according to us because our analysis was in the right direction. Here the major trend of the market is downtrend, but the market is still going up, trend line taking resistance. Let's see how the market will react in the future. The market went up sharply so that our target was quickly achieved. Market will go down from here if trend line takes resistance, because earlier also the market has taken resistance on this trend line, from which we have got strong points. If the market does not go down from here, then it will break this trend line and pull it, where we can get good opportunity on both sides of selling and buying. Let's remove these small support resistance level. Now we just need big support resistance level. Market is still following this big support resistance level properly. This will make it easier for us to place stop loss and target point. Now we wait how the market reacts with this trend line. See you after some time. The market has given the trend line an upward breakout. Here we are getting the opportunity of buying. The market didn't go down. Buyers was overpower the sellers. Sellers lose what buyers win. Here the market has also retested the breakout at a smaller level, by which we are getting buying signal. I am doing trade place now. This is the right time to place trade. I'm keeping the lot size as much as before, by which we are following the proper risk.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah.
Guys, this time we have got to see direct profit, which is around $40. We have placed the trade in the right place. Here we can make good profit, because the market is going according to our analysis. Now let's put stop loss and target point. We have no work. Today I will show you by putting stop loss and target point on tradingview.com. We are on TradingView. You can see my stop loss and target point near the trend line, whose risk to reward ratio is 1:2. All of you can also take trade by doing such analysis. I also do trade place in very simple way. Now let's go to MATAFAKA, where we will place it in trade. So far our work is over. Now the market work begins. This is our full trade, in which you will know the difference between scalp trade and full trade. I have traded 3 times with the same setup, in which there was loss in one trade and gain in other trade. Now let's see what reward the market will give us. So far the market is going according to our setup. See you guys after a few hours. Till then, enjoy the video.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top of the sun. They cannot try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. I'm to the point, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm obsessed with things at a minute, but that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning.
Guys, our target is going to be hit in a very good way. It took 20 hours and 24 minutes to achieve this target, which is close to a day. As we analyze, the market is going the same way. My target would have hit this place, but not because of 1 to 2 pips. Now we wait for the target to be hit so that we can follow our rules. If you want to achieve big goals, then follow your rules properly, so you will always be a profitable trader. Strong support resistance level is visible near our target here, because of which the market is not hitting the target. I will explain to you by drawing. For this we will take a rectangle tool and place it in this place, because the market has taken resistance and support again and again at this level. Now you can clearly see why the market is consolidating. Here the market has gone down with multiple time resistance, which we can call the reversal point. This is the strong reversal point. Here also you will see multiple times support, so that the market is not hitting our target. The market can go down from here also if we find more signs to go down. So we will close our trade, because above is the strong resistance level. Now we wait when the market achieves the target. The target was achieved with a lot of patience, which is a matter of happiness. If you respect the market will respect you. Let's close the trade now. The market can come down anytime, because that's strong support resistance level. My profit is running $2,714. This is a reward for our patience and analysis that the market has given us. How to close too much greed is bad.
And you'll see that you've always had it inside. It's the key to make the most of this life believe. No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up. Time to take the red pill. To make this our world. Gonna die on this hill.
Guys, we put $3,500 in this account, which made $6,425. With proper risk management, we grow our account by 78%. You also have to do the same simple analysis and take a trade. It is very easy. You just have to give time for practice. The more you practice, the more you will learn price action analysis. You can use any of my strategies absolutely free. It applies at all time frame. If you want to learn more about the strategy, so you can check my channel playlist. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching this video.
Like this.